So cob. They got that's a sausage rib with the rice. Whoa. They have bones. This is what they recommend me. It's called nam lam something. But that's the ribs, sausage, and then this is the lop, bro. They even give you a jalapeno, man. I love you. Mmm. It tastes like Vietnamese blood sausage, but it's delicious. It's not the same. It's like lemongrass or something. Look at it. That actually look good. Look. Mmm. Mmm. So much flavor. So much. It's like deep fried. Not salty. Full of pork flavor. That's what it is. Pretty good. Thank you. She hooked it up with the herb, the beef lop. And I think this is how you're supposed to eat it. I think. Mmm. 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 Crispy rice and the nam.
That's pretty good.
Right, nam, right? This is nam?
Something like that.
Yeah. Vietnamese people don't know what nam
Makes
is.
it good though.
I'm gonna try it. She said, damn, you make it like, dude, you make me want to eat it. Nam. Put some of that there. And then just eat it like this. Shout out to the owner. This is delicious. Thank you. It's not spicy? Why? That's weird. That all ain't spicy. That's strange. I thought it would be spicy, but it's not. Maybe this one. It's sweet a little bit.